To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Mesh analysis question: find current through 4 ohm resistance using mesh analysis in the circuit in figure. So here in this circuit we can see this is a 4 ohm resistance. We have to find the current through this 4 ohm resistance by using mesh analysis. Solution: let's say this is mesh number 1 with current I1 and this is mesh number 2 with current I2. Now according to the direction of this current I1, this will be positive here, negative here, positive here, negative here. And according to the direction of this current I2, this will be positive and this will be negative, positive, negative. Now here for mesh number 1 we will apply KVL. So let's apply KVL. Apply KVL to mesh 1. Now according to KVL, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law, let's say we are starting from this point, so it will be minus 12. So minus 12, then plus 3 I1, plus 3 I1, then plus 9, plus 9. Now this 9 ohm resistance is common in both mesh 1 and mesh 2. So it will be, and we are currently solving for mesh number 1. So it will be 9 in bracket I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2. Now here the loop is completed, so it is equal to 0. Now let's simplify this. So it will be minus 12 plus 3 I1 plus 9 I1 minus 9 I2 is equal to 0. Now let's write I1 terms first. So it will be 3 plus 9, 12 I1, then minus 9 I2, minus 9 I2 is equal to 12. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now next we will apply KVL to mesh number 2. So let's apply KVL. Apply KVL to mesh number 2. Let's say we are starting from this point. So it will be plus 9. Plus 9. Again this 9 ohm is common in both mesh 2 and mesh 1. And now we are solving for mesh number 2. So it will be plus 9 in bracket I2 minus I1 this time. So it will be I2 minus I1, then plus 4 I2 plus 4 I2, then plus 9 plus 9. Now here the loop is completed, so it is equal to 0. Now let's simplify this. So it will be 9 I2 minus 9 I1 plus 4 I2 plus 9 is equal to 0. Let's write I1 terms first. So it will be minus 9 I1. Then this will be 9 plus 4. So plus 13 I2. It is equal to minus 9. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now we got two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So solving equation 1 and 2, we get, so in calculator directly we will solve this, mod 5 then 1. So 12 then minus 9 then 12 minus 9 then 12, then from equation 2 this will be minus 9, 13, then minus 9. So therefore the value of I1 is 1 ampere. I1 is equal to 1 ampere and the value of I2 is 0 ampere. So 0 ampere is the value of I2. Now here in this question we have to find current through 4 ohm resistance using mesh analysis in the circuit in figure. That means we have to find this current I2, and here we can see we got the value of I2 is equal to 0 ampere. So therefore I4 ohm is equal to I2 is equal to 0 ampere. To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Thanks for watching.